I forgot to press record, but just know it was pretty good. Okay, chat, I'm not even gonna lie, shotgunning that could have been a mistake because I feel so bloated, and not only that, it went down my freaking, not my esophagus, like obviously I drank it, but a lot of it went down. Is it my pharynx? I'm supposed to be a nursing major, but like, do I know anatomy? No. If you went to my school, you understand why. But no, that shiz went down my pharynx, and I'm still like it up, you know. But let's warm up. I should start my watch. Guys, it freaking hurts. Am I being baby? Maybe, but it's like stinging my throat. Also, it is like, it's like 4 p.m. on a Friday, so the gym is empty and it's feeling good. That means I feel like I could be weird when I record. I don't feel camera shy very much now since I'm out here by myself. But yeah, I'm gonna go get a roller and then roll out my back while I bench. Hopefully this friggin' goes away because it's burning my throat. I am grinding. I'm still coughing, but I am grinding one direction in this workout. I can feel it in my nuggets. It feels good. It feels great. Oh yeah, by the way, top set 125 for 3 for pot of trays. And then back downs is 125, 120. I can't do the math. I can't remember, but when the time comes, you'll know. But let's launch this. Listening to One Direction. Also, base 7, tough. Top set. So every rep of my top set hit the rack, the hooks. So let's make up for it in back downs. I'm not gonna redo that way because you saw how it looked. But yeah, let's have a redemption arc and back downs, I guess. By the way, back downs are 120 for 3 sets of 8. I have to video a warm-up. I do. It's for an online client. Hey guys, gym owners freaking flaming me because I am making a video for a client. So here's my warm-up. So this one is called, I think, 90-90 hip stretch. So it's just like, and then it kind of like gives you a deep stretch in the hips. So here. And then I think the next one is Skindasana or something. And then that is this. That one really opens up my hips. And then I have lunge to hamstring stretch, which is lunge, hamstring stretch, lunge, hamstring stretch. And then next one is, oh, bootstrappers. And that's just a hamstring stretch to a little crotchety one. But I swear those ones are great. But I usually do those for about, just like 20 on each, no, 10 on each side, 20 all together. Maybe 15 if I'm feeling extra tight. You can tell by my hair, I am sweating my booty cheeks off. So basically, we're going strip today. I'm taking off my pump cover stuff. Here's a good show for you. You deserve the show. I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep talking in my Western accent. But here it is, please enjoy. You probably can't even tell, but there's an extreme, oh yeah, you can definitely see it. I sweated my booty off. I'm gonna throw my hair up in a bun. I'll be back. The new do. I hope you guys like it. If not, anything to get the sweat out of my face. My sweaty hair out of my face. But I'm gonna hit this for set 8. Do it for a couple more sets and then call it, and then do some yiddy exercises because these yiddies need to grow. I'm trying to get a big bench. I'm trying to be a bench specialist with these long orangutan arms. We're done. Is it nerdy of me if I listen to the Ballad of Snakes? Wait, the Ballad of Snakes and Songbirds? Is that what it's called? Freak, I can't remember. It's the track list to the newest Hunger Games prequel. Like, I know I'm like trying to be gym baddie and shiz, but like that, it's so hard for some reason. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, that's what it is. I don't know why. Whenever I lift, my brain just turns off. But yeah, we're done. Thanks for hanging out, guys.